The desert. Bare scenery, sweltering heat, and sandstorms. These are the characteristics of deserts. It is a barren land. Almost 1/3 of the Earth is covered with this type of land, and unfortunately, this proportion is growing year after year. The water balance of the desert is constantly in the red. The amount of annual rainfall is usually less than 250 millimeters. There are some places where no rain falls for years. These conditions can only be tolerated by drought-resistant vegetation and animal species. The temperature is high during the day, but drops after nightfall. Although at first glance the landscape seems calm, this endless sea of sand is constantly formed by a number of chemical and physical processes. The surface is mainly formed by mechanical weathering and erosion, as well as periodic surface runoff and aeolian processes. The wind easily picks up the sand and the grains rub together, thus making the particles even smaller. After the fine materials are transported away, deflation basins are left behind. Dunes form where sand deposits accumulate. Sand dunes constantly change their position and their shape. They can transform or wander somewhere else in just a matter of days. The surface forms are quite diverse. It is not always flat. It is often formed of mountains and valleys. The humus content of desert soils is negligible. Its use for agricultural purposes is truly minor. That is the reason why deserts are so scarcely populated. People settle mainly around oases. Due to the growing area of deserts, the proportion of arable land is dropping, thus putting the entire planet in danger. Overgrazing, deforestation, inappropriate animal husbandry, and urbanization all add to it. Today, desertification endangers the lives of 500 million people. The proportion of deserts is growing by more than 60,000 square kilometers